Welcome to the haunted Tiki, where the torches never die. Raise a mug beneath the moonlight, watch the restless spirits fly. Every drink's an adventure, every night a mystery. Step inside if you dare. The haunted Tiki. 40 years of chasing whispers, searching truth where shadows creep. Not every story earns believing. Some are buried far too deep. Your guide through the unknown. The original Tiki Ghoul.
Hello and welcome back to the Haunted Tiki. Those of you who are new here, my name is Tony and I am the original Tiki Ghoul. This episode is number 4 of our series of Ghosts and Spirits. Sit back, relax with your favorite Tiki drink, and we'll dive into the dark side of things. On today's episode, I would like to talk about the Dybbuk Box. For those of you that do not know what a Dybbuk Box is, it's a tabletop wine cabinet infamous this day and time as a supposedly haunted object containing malicious spirits from Jewish folklore. It gained popularity in 2003 through an eBay auction listed by Kevin Manis, who claimed it caused bizarre, terrifying, and health-related misfortunes for its owners. The story, which inspired the 2012 film The Possession. I don't know if any of you guys have seen that, but you should go check it out. Check it out, rent it. If you guys are into that kind of stuff, I am, I love it. It was later revealed by Manis to be a fictional narrative. In 2001, Kevin Manis, an antique dealer in Oregon, purchased a small wood wine cabinet at an estate sale of a 103-year-old woman who was said to be a Holocaust survivor. Manis alleged that the granddaughter told him the box was a Dybbuk box and warned him never to open it as it contained malicious spirits. Manis claimed after buying the box, he experienced nightmares, smelled sulfur, and that his mother suffered a stroke, among other misfortunes. Although Dybbuk is a real concept of Jewish folklore, the meaning is a disembodied spirit that clings to the living. The idea of one being trapped inside an object is a modern invention, not a traditional one. Later, the box was purchased by a well-known TV personality, where he now displays it for the public to see in his museum. Research is extremely important in the study of the paranormal. There is always someone out there who are looking for their 5 minutes of fame with such a fabricated story. Now, it doesn't mean an object can't be haunted. It just means do your homework. I have had so many people try to pull the wool over my eyes with fake videos, pictures, and claims of haunted items through the years. Well, tonight we are making the Beachbum is Gold from Jeff Beachbum Berry's Grog Log. Pioneer's Gold is a classic tiki cocktail originated from Don Beach, who created it in the 1930s and 1940s at his pioneering Hollywood restaurant in Don the Beachcomber. The drink often associated with the early small format liquid gold cocktails of the era. It was later revived from obscurity by cocktail historian Beachbum Berry, thank you brother. By the closely guarded secret for decades, the recipe was decoded and published by cocktail historian Jeff Beachbum Berry in his book Sippin' Safari. Let's make this drink. We will be needing 1/2 ounce of French vermouth, 1/2 ounce Italian vermouth, 1/8 teaspoon Pernod, 1/2 ounce of light Puerto Rican rum, 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Blend for 5 seconds with 2 ounces of crushed ice and strain into a cocktail glass or a saucer-shaped champagne glass with an ice shelf forming over it to top like a hood. If you would like to make this at home, prepare the mold by packing firmly shaved ice along the bottom and sides, working your way up. Once you have all the desired ice shell, place it in the freezer overnight, usually served with a short straw. We're going to be blending this cocktail for 5 seconds with 2 ounces of crushed ice. Nifty little plastic mixer. About 2 ounces. 5 seconds. We're going to be pouring this into a saucer-shaped champagne glass with an ice little cave. I did the best I could with the little ice cave. It is what it is, and it's poured in. Here we go, guys. Here's my little ice cave. Unfortunately, I had to use this margarita glass, so it has a little reservoir there with a lot of ice in it. But that's what I have. Let's pour this in. Hopefully it doesn't collapse. There you go. Let's give this a little try. This is the Beachcomber's Gold. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's a lot of vermouth. I think it's a little too much vermouth for me. It's still a classic drink. It tastes pretty good. I don't know if I'll order this again. Probably not. Yeah, I'm not sure how many of you guys have had that. The hardest thing out of this whole entire drink was forming this sort of ice cave. Yeah, it wasn't. It's not a very good drink. I don't like it. I'm being honest, 100% honest with you guys. I don't like it. If you guys have tried this, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts were. Because, yeah, we used Italian and French vermouth. I think it was a little too much. I can taste the Pernod. I like that taste. I like that flavor. But I think the two different types of vermouth are kind of what did it for me. This little straw's not helping any. Yeah, it's alright. I mean, something I definitely wouldn't order again. I mean, I don't know. So, there you go, guys. The Beachcomber's Gold. I would like to thank all of you for joining us for a special series of Goats and Spirits. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new and upcoming content. As always, my friends, stay spooky. Cheers. I don't like to waste. I'm going to finish this.
Welcome to the haunted Tiki.